Good morning, little sisters. Time to wake up. We're going to make Mom's dressing this morning. I've got everything ready. Here's my coffee. Here's the supplies. All right, the first thing. This is 1 loaf of bread. I put some sage on top already while it was drying out. That's all I've done so far. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some celery and onions. Look at how much celery. This is how much onions. Not much. A couple chunks full. I'm going to add those in there. All right, next thing. This is the giblets. I cooked them the other night. Chopped them up. So there's that. I'm not going to put all of this in because I want to save some of it for my gravy. So that's what goes in. Let's see, how much is that? That's a container, medium-sized container. This is probably, I don't know, 2 cups. And I'm gonna put a little bit more than half in it. All right, I decided to put 4 eggs in it. All right, so the next thing that has to happen is it has to be mixed up with my hands, and I can't record and mix it up with my hands. But when I get it put together, then I'll show you the next part. All right, it's mixed up. You can see it's kind of soft and mushy. If I move it to the side, you can see the bottom of my pan is still kind of wet. Now, the key is that you have to be able to smell the sage while you're mixing this up, and I cannot smell the sage, so I'm adding some more. And so there was a half a bottle when I started. Let me mix it up and see what I smell. Okay, so I can actually smell it now. I can smell the sage as I'm mixing this up. It's still pretty soft and gooky. So just a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, time for some salt and pepper. Pepper, just, I don't know, like you would season your food if it was on a plate. Salt, about the same as you would season it on your plate. You can see that there's still liquid after I've mixed it up a little bit, but I haven't added any milk, which is also important. So I'm going to add some milk. Let's call this 3/4 of a cup. And mix it again. Okay, you can see that there's quite a bit of liquid in there. See it? Good morning, Dixie. It's going in my already buttered casserole dish. All right, it's in the already buttered casserole dish. As you can see, I put some butter on top. You can see that there's liquidy around the outside edge, and it's pretty soft. That's it. Put it in a pan that has some water in it. Put it in the oven at 350. It's gonna puff up big and it kind of get brown on the top. And just like a cake, when you stick a knife in it and it comes out clean, it's done. Merry Christmas 2023. Love you all.